I'm not sure if you can read that, but this one's name is Victor, and he's done this many hours. So you guys get to meet Victor, and we're going to pull him apart actually. I'm going to rip out a few things in this ute. I'll show you how she's all wired up, just bits of scrap metal I had and parts I had floating around. I forgot to actually mention what's inside of Victor. There's actually a full-blown open WRT modem on here. That's a Wi-Fi antenna, believe it or not. Let's show you what's in the guts of her. Okay, so this works as you probably suspect. It's just power over Ethernet. This is just a cheap ass module. There's an NVR in there. You got your hard drive. And this is a little router that I've hacked with open WRT. It makes it all happen. And this is just a little inverter that I got. Because obviously that has to go up to 48 volts for power over Ethernet. So there you go, kids. That's how it's all done. Under here, for the USBs, so it's some USB sockets. Oh, USB charger there. This should be my HDMI and USB too. So these USB charging, and this is just for the video for the HDMI out, which comes from up here. And it's corresponding USB, so if I want to get files off my footage, I just plug a TV into here and away you go. So a little 12 volt TV that I had plugged into here too, but yeah, since, here's the old shoulder today, since removed it and just put a laptop plug adapter, but basically yeah, it'd run on solar panels. Yeah, just keep the battery on charge. Speaking of solar panels, I just simply got a normal house panel set and just hacked them up. As you casually do. It's good enough for that, I think it was a 24 volt input. What does this thing go up to? Yeah, 24 volt input. So yeah, I just divided the circuit in half there. Yeah, been a while since I've been in here. Ideally, there was meant to be a camera module up there. Yeah, full blown little USB hub here. I was meant to sit up here on my dash. Never got around to doing it. Oh, managed to get an Android head unit in this old sucker. Anyway, probably rip that gun out too. I did manage to have a dash cam on the front and the back, and both these had SD cards inside of them. So that'll be interesting to find when we pull them apart. Floodlight is absolutely rooted. Thanks AliExpress, thank you. And here is the final bit. Here's my little reverse camera. It's also got an SD card inside the sucker. So, oh, yeah, one's got a screw missing there too. So thank you for your time, Victor. You've done well, mate.